The Grateful Star. Once upon a time, in the big, twinkling sky, there was a little star named Twinkle. Twinkle had a shiny, golden glow that made it special. But Twinkle wasn't very happy. It felt lonely and sad. One night, a friendly moon named Luna saw Twinkle looking sad. Luna said, "Hello, little star. Why do you seem so sad?" Twinkle replied, "I don't feel happy because I'm all alone. Nobody seems to notice me." Luna smiled gently and said, "Don't be sad, Twinkle. You may not know it, but God made you shine brightly for a reason. Your light brings joy to earth and makes the night beautiful." Twinkle looked surprised. "Really? I didn't know that." Luna nodded. "Yes, Twinkle. Every time you twinkle, you remind people of the wonderful things God has created. But it's also important to appreciate the beauty around us. Look at the planets and the galaxies that God has put in the sky." Twinkle looked around and saw the other stars, planets, and the colorful galaxies. It realized that they were all part of a magnificent creation. From that day on, Twinkle began to feel grateful for its shiny light and the friends around. It understood that even though it was small, it could bring happiness to many. Twinkle started to shine even more brightly. People on Earth looked up and admired its golden glow. Twinkle felt warm and joyful inside, knowing that its light was a wonderful part of God's creation. And so, Twinkle the Grateful Star learned that even the tiniest lights can make the world shine. It appreciated its place in the sky and the happiness it brought to others, all because of God's amazing wonders. And every night, Twinkle twinkled with gratitude, thanking God for the lesson it had learned. And they all lived and shined happily ever after, appreciating the wonders of God.